Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the ETHNOS brand, their 100% pure avocado oil. It's an all-purpose high-temperature cooking oil, ideal for high-heat cooking and sautéing. This is a very large 33.8 ounce bottle. Now, avocado oil I've been using for years. It's really heart healthy. It's high in oleic acid, which is unsaturated fat. It contains vitamin E. It'll also help your body absorb other fat-soluble vitamins. Avocado oil is a good source of monounsaturated fat. It's been linked to reducing LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol. So why wouldn't it be good? Avocados are good for you, so the avocado oil is good for you. Now, this company uses traditional refining process to remove impurities, creating a neutral oil perfect for high heat cooking. And in terms of all oils on the market, this is the highest smoke point of any oil on the market. And with that neutral flavor and healthy fat profile, makes it really popular. Now, I've been using this for a while. This is a bottle I haven't opened yet, but I've got other bottles I've been using. And I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like. But you can cook anything with this. You can cook breakfast. This is excellent to put in your cakes. And I just recently made a banana cake, banana bread, and this is perfect for that because it has a neutral flavor. And making French fries and things like that in a toaster oven or an air fryer, this is perfect because it's high temperature, it doesn't burn. Also in your wok, when you're making vegetables and meats and things in your wok, cooking Asian food, this is perfect because it doesn't start to make all that smoke that you normally have. So, and again, it's heart healthy for you, so you can't go wrong. This is one of those oils that you want to have available in your kitchen all the time. And an excellent application for this oil is making popcorn. I just made some delicious popcorn, and it works great because it doesn't burn and the popcorn heats really evenly. So I've opened up this bottle, and let's take this open here and show you what it looks like. So you see it kind of has a beautiful color, and you see some of the solids in there. That is normal. It's kind of got a beautiful like golden color to it. And in terms of smell, all you smell is the avocado slice in there. So that's what it looks like, and it's absolutely delicious. And when you're using a toaster oven, the ETHNOS avocado oil is perfect because at high temperature, it's not going to smoke like if you were using butter or olive oil. So whenever you're using something that you're baking, you want to use the ETHNOS avocado oil to avoid smoke because of the high heat it has. So I'm a big fan of this product. I really like it. My wife likes it also. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.